If you can, it's best to connect your bank or credit card to QuickBooks, because then QuickBooks automatically downloads your transactions for you. However, that's not possible for some banks. Or you may want to add some older transactions to QuickBooks. In those cases, you'll need to download the transactions from your bank and then upload them to QuickBooks. Let's go over how to upload transactions for a new account and then how to upload more transactions in the future. First, you'll need to download the transactions from your bank. Sign in to your bank or credit card's website. Follow your bank's instructions for how to download transactions to your computer. This process will be slightly different for each bank, so you may need to search for how to do it. Now you have to decide how far back you want your transactions to go. This is important so you can avoid duplicate transactions. If this is for an account that isn't in QuickBooks yet, then set the range for as far back as you want QuickBooks to keep track of. If you want QuickBooks to start at the beginning of the month, then download just the transactions from this month. If you want to go back further, then set the range back further. If you've already added your account to QuickBooks but haven't added any transactions yet, then have your transactions go back to match the date of the opening balance of your account when you set it up in QuickBooks. If your account is in QuickBooks and you've already added transactions to it, then find the date of the last transaction and select the next day. Once you set your date range, download the transactions to your computer. It's best to save these as a .qbo file if you have that option. If not, you can save them as a .csv file. Now go to QuickBooks to upload your new transactions. Go to the Banking tab from the Banking menu. Then select Upload Transactions. Drag and drop the file you downloaded from your bank, or select the option Select File. Then Continue. Select the account you want to upload the transactions into. If this is a new account, select Add New and name it. When you're ready, select Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Match the columns on the file with the banking fields in QuickBooks. Then select Continue. Select the transactions you wish to import. Then select Continue. Select Yes to start importing these transactions. QuickBooks will add the transactions to your account. You'll see all your new transactions here under your account. Whenever you have more transactions to add in the future, just download them from your bank. Then select the account and under Link Account, select Upload from File and follow the steps again. Note that you still need to categorize or match your transactions before you add them to QuickBooks. Now you're ready to start manually adding your transactions to QuickBooks.